But we are very, very sorry. Hindi ko, siyempre lahat kami nalulungkot dahil napakataas ng ating casualty figures. At ito, karamihan talaga ay dinala ng tubig. Dahil sa laki ng tubig, dahil sa bilis ng parating ng flash flood. Ang sinasabi sa atin, ang pinaghahandaan ng mga LGU officials was a storm surge, yung papasok galing sa dagat. Pero ang talagang nangyari, flash flood naman. Iba yung nangyari. At hindi natin napaghandaan dahil iba yung in-expect natin. But anyway, nangyari na. We will be helping the families of those na naging casualty. We will help them to recover, put them back on their feet, and do what we can to make up for the loss that they have suffered. And that is, again, I made the same promise to Cebu, your governor and your mayor, that as long as the national government is needed, we will be here. We are not leaving hanggat maayos na ang inyong mga buhay at hindi na kami kailangan para sa mga tulong na dinadala namin, then we will remain here. Alright? Maraming salamat. Thank you.